Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're excited to share creative ideas to beautify your home and garden with you. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring craft and decor tips, DIY projects, and eco-friendly decorating ideas. Join our community and start transforming your space today. Creating a cozy seating area with waterproof cushions. Winter garden decor not only beautifies your outdoor space, today, we're exploring the charming world of wooden birdhouses, perfect for enhancing your house and garden decor. Birdhouses are not only functional but also add a rustic, natural touch to any outdoor space. Crafted from durable wood, these birdhouses provide a cozy home for your feathered friends, while elevating the aesthetic appeal of your garden. Whether you prefer a classic design or a more whimsical style, wooden birdhouses can be customized to match your personal taste and outdoor theme. Their natural texture and colors blend seamlessly with garden plants, flowers, and trees, creating a harmonious environment. As an eco-friendly option, wood is biodegradable and sustainable, making it an excellent choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. In this guide, we'll share creative ideas, design tips, and decorating inspiration to help you incorporate wooden birdhouses into your house and garden decor effortlessly. Crafting your own wooden birdhouse can be a rewarding DIY project that combines creativity and sustainability. Using reclaimed or leftover wood not only reduces waste but also adds character and authenticity to your finished piece. Basic tools like saws, nails, and non-toxic paints are sufficient for creating a simple yet attractive birdhouse. When designing, ensure proper ventilation and drainage to keep your feathered guests comfortable and safe. Adding a perch or small entrance hole tailored to different bird species can encourage a variety of avian visitors. Painting or staining the wood with eco-friendly finishes can enhance durability and aesthetics. Personal touches like decorative shingles, painted designs, or small roof overhangs can elevate the beauty and functionality of your handmade birdhouse. DIY projects like these are perfect for family activities, making your garden more lively and inviting for wildlife. Lighting is an essential aspect of decorating with wooden birdhouses in your garden. Solar-powered lanterns or fairy lights can be discreetly installed around the birdhouse to create a magical evening ambience without disturbing the wildlife. Soft lighting highlights the craftsmanship and details of your birdhouse, making it a captivating feature even after sunset. For a cohesive look, match the lighting style with your overall garden theme, rustic, modern, or whimsical. Positioning the lights strategically ensures safety and accessibility for maintenance while creating an enchanting environment. Additionally, incorporating natural elements like lanterns made from recycled wood or metal can complement the rustic charm of wooden birdhouses. Proper lighting not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also makes your garden a welcoming haven for both birds and humans alike during evening hours. When it comes to decorating around your wooden birdhouse, consider planting native flowers and shrubs that attract local bird species. Native plants provide natural food sources like berries and seeds, encouraging birds to visit and stay longer. Incorporating elements like a small water feature or bird bath nearby can further attract wildlife and create a lively scene. Using natural mulch and decorative stones around the base of the birdhouse adds texture and visual interest. Seasonal decorations such as colorful ribbons, small wreaths, or hanging ornaments can also be used to refresh the look of your garden throughout the year. Remember to keep the area clean and free of debris to maintain a safe environment for your feathered friends. Thoughtful landscaping combined with wooden birdhouses results in a vibrant, inviting outdoor space that celebrates nature and craftsmanship. Maintenance and longevity are important considerations when choosing or building wooden birdhouses. Regular inspections help identify signs of wear, rot, or pest infestation. Applying non-toxic, weather-resistant sealants or stains can extend the lifespan of your birdhouse, especially in harsh weather conditions. Ensuring the roof is properly sealed prevents water from seeping in and damaging the wood. Cleaning the interior at the end of each breeding season removes old nesting material and parasites, keeping it safe for new occupants. Additionally, moving the birdhouse to different locations periodically can prevent the buildup of pests and diseases. With proper care, your wooden birdhouse can serve as a charming feature in your garden for many years, providing a safe haven for birds while adding rustic beauty to your outdoor decor. Thank you for joining Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub today. We hope these ideas and tips inspire you to create beautiful, functional, and eco-friendly wooden birdhouses for your house and garden. Remember, each birdhouse is a small sanctuary that supports local bird populations and adds character to your outdoor space. Whether you prefer DIY projects, buying handcrafted pieces, or decorating existing structures, there's a perfect design for everyone. Celebrate nature's beauty and craftsmanship by making your garden a lively, welcoming haven for birds and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Stay tuned for more inspiring ideas and creative projects to enhance your home and garden decor. Happy decorating!